India and Pakistan have held a flag meet at the Arispura sector along the border. The BSF Jawans are meeting Pakistan Rangers after a ceasefire violation earlier today. Let's get in more details from Srinjoy Chaudhary joining us now on the phone line. Srinjoy, what are you picking up?
Well, this is an attempt to ensure that the line of control and the border comes back to normal. For the last few weeks, there has been a lot of firing, the Pakistani side firing, the Indian side returning fire, and there have been casualties on both sides, which is why on Tuesday the two DGMOs spoke and felt that it was time that things got sorted out along the line of control and also the IB, which of course is under the control of the BSF. Now, this is really part of the entire process to ensure that some kind of peace returns to the line of control and the international border.
Srinjoy, in your assessment, how much of a difference will a flag meet like this make, considering that this is the 51st ceasefire violation by Pakistan in just 18 days?
Well, there have been a lot of them, and the effort is to ensure that there is at least some improvement in the situation, both along the line of control and the IB. It's much worse to have an IB violation, which is legally more difficult to accept. But either way, both are bad, which is why all this flag meeting is taking place. The question is, this will continue as long as infiltration goes on, because the main reason for these ceasefire violations is this, that once a group of infiltrators are coming in, the Pakistani side usually fires to ensure that the Indian side puts its head down and the infiltrators get through. Now, till that stops, and there is no sign of that stopping, this kind of thing will continue.